Besides, Nanaba Namwa, records have it. On fire, Tionko Jina will be also say, will be a man sponsorship.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH. So, what friend me, Ajua searching. For one of the trending stories are Echegu Ewa Ghana Hanomino involves a year Nana Aba Anamwa. Na Obi Baby Sase Nana Aba Namwa, why a day? The Nanaba Ayede. Nanaba Anamwa and our Audrey program be a watch me Women of Valor. A buy. Now, program no a program be Afibia Oye. We invite Mba Akukudrufo and Yomukushia Eshe almost stories and the stories whole stories will be a film say man or banner I strong and at the idea o host ye na ye ho. Now this year dino hosting no e London. Nanama Mike Brown ekopie mu ho and ni petition one ekopie mu ho mo share almost stories na the idea. Na ebusuafo nanaba anamwa ebe kasai no e na o kire say gold board women of valor na e course no and some we beto odwa no and NDC grassroots for no omo say omo etikwa apai one ya support ne say one ya support ne say adenti no omo akeke asese office abu nipa e de NDC party no aba power na NDC for mpenifo no omo ignore omo na comedy omo na omo di gold board sika sponsor na aba anamwa ni program na nya se mketo akra na nsem de bia akoso party say amafo bebre twi Sammy Jamfin ni omo chese Sammy Jamfin ye careful because you are the same person na okoma agrada na agrada dollars ana amafo e chese dollars na egu kamiya dollars ketwa na obi a o hwe eye sensitive company and say gold board. Now you who say Sammy Jamfin yesterday.
NDC ni wakuma beyo ya no peyo. Enyo ya no peyo. Me kano kran me hwe wanim so no makano kran de akire. Uji. NDC for no was sense of entitlement.
Of course, an idea. An idea.
Was some sense of entitlement. They believe and feel say on mine your modia. Listen. Truth is that whether NPP or NDC or my way, a Ghana ni biadia. Whether you are born as a Ghanaian by birth or by naturalization or whatever, whichever method that would be a Ghana, my way you win idea. You see? So NDC for the nyai did now one. What they must understand is that gold board, any gold board jewelry. And yet the bona fide property of NDC as a party. Open the property of NDC as a party. And only almost structure is the other bracken, or headquarters. And only a party in India. Plus any other tenor, a war.
Yeah.
Reality will dawn on them, say, gold board, no, a state corporation. And a gold board jewelry, no, a subsidiary of that corporation. It's gold board, and NDC ni biadia. Gold board, na President Mahamadia, and then Sammy Jamfin.
Good.
They should take it and take it clear. Until the earlier they stop doing some of these things, the better.
The better, yeah.
You cannot hear say.
Yeah, Mtiopa.
Gold board, any gold board jewelry, and Sammy Jamfin. It is not for President Mahama. Neither is it for, I say, don't get here, national chairman. You know, mine 2 million so near same ran your dear Tissa company. Okay? And nobody in the NDC should think, say, gold board near the brainchild of the NDC. It's a NDC dear. Besides, Nanaba Namwa, records have it. On fire, Tionko Jina will be also say will be a man sponsorship.
David.
Why? No cray wumpa ne say Nanaba Namwa. On fire, Tionko Jina will be also say will be my sponsor an event. We should grow out of this childish politics we do in this country.
Pettiness.
Be politics in this country.
Yeah.
Are we serious?
We are too petty.
After elections, we have a nation to govern. Kwame de America no just
Yeah, me too, pa.
Nana Banamwani ni team must have sat down to write a proposal justifying the reason why in Tia SS gold ball jewelry ebe sponsor one event.
Yeah, of course.
Right? It is a Ghana man yeah media general. Yabo media village
Yes.
Any other corporate entities ana eye. Akabomi. Corporate entity no. SS who ni benefit oba be sponsor event no so be dey.
Obenya. Yeah.
And give and take. Some of them ni bebre na kra nyeska kra no mse da de ma in terms of sponsorship.
Bata bi na ye omo ye kra.
Yeah, the materials be near the end of the mouth. Then you also give them the chance and the opportunity say omo be display omo product omo ye dey.
Yeah. Bata cry. Most of them bata.
NDC for this omo madness, this omo how they say.
Anti omo to call apai.
Kwame. God bought you a day omo ton.
Enye niama ye gugu yan say to ye kom ya.
PMMC
and name
for PMMC cry to PMMC they were coded. By the new act no PMMC is dead.
What check gold board jewelry on my website in as well. On watch or formerly known as PMMC.
That's fine. But I'm just saying
company or
I'm just saying say gold board jewelry there no mo ye.
Ene mo ye ne niama de to yan sa chain ne asomade gold watch sane man no.
Sane man why ne tashe.
Ayema so
are we okay?
Sanema we man etato.
Now Mr. Speaker ne kasemu no na ochre say. God board no enye NDC for the Ghana for na yen dia. Na Mr. Speaker me so pese be catch we say, "Hey, Ghana for yen ordinary citizens no, ye wo chefa e wo Ghana properties. Ye wo chefa e wo Ghana natural resources en yakopon dia ma yen. Mr. Speaker, o se Ghana mine yen dia. Na yes and why osoro ni yemfi anasa asase so yen Ghana had the NPP for NDC for dia o NDC for ba che say omo poso oman ni de omo pe bia na omo ko NPP for so abeposa na ye beka say NPP for kra de omo ba so omo poso oman na at least omo the policy eba oman be bia e benefit. So the main reason why some of us ain't ninja NPP achieving because NPP a party go mobile. In fact, all man at memifo no here ni o ye mobroni o obia benefit. Look at national health insurance, free maternal care, free education. You know your Ghana natural resources omo koton this kind of man when na taxes are you bi and omo dey yes I and omo dey yes big policies in Ghana for. Now this if we do about wo one watch rest or man your money and Mr. Speaker, okay say Ghana yen na yen dia me because ordinary citizen a oni sika enya asema judiciary no edi etia no so we your ordinary citizens wo Ghana ha citizen wo Ghana ha na wonya celebrity wonya nipa wo sika wo famous wonya politician na you are not part of this country wo Ghana ha wo ma me fia papa fia ha na wo fi then so won ka o man no because you are nobody nanka obi enko ahayo hunter enko chena mo nanka se kore ana okoton di bia nya sika gu ni botom ahwe na busuafo omo nchini ntum na agrada mbo ni pepo enfa ne koton 15 omo fa ne koton 15 years na wo kwa appeal na won ni infinite ma 1 year o se Ghana ha yo obi ande a ana se Ghana ha yin na ka ho a anka obi enkotwa brode yen ka se brode twa na okotwa na wa ya ade eye krono na mo obi nkotwa brode na onkodem 16 years na obi nje double salary a oji ni pay no wa create fake account dia agi pay na nipa ko no fa no hu nti Ghana yin na ye dia Ghana ha na politicians celebrities and omo sika na ye won dia yen Ghana na yen ka ho Mr. President point of correction yen Ghana ha na yen ka ho me say me o man yen ka ho because me ti hey me asem na sa asem no kra enyam na enyam na me ye na me ni dance ni a me kwakodem e wa bra de enyam na me ye na so ma no sikeni bi ye wa ha Ghana ha na ye te so almost obi the cocaine or smuggle cocaine asem na afa he What's your skinny be? Yanti once another payment there. That's so you're hearing be not send the buyer. Kabadis or mama stupid sentence or cockroach in the Ghana had it. It's a good board, the Sammy and Finna John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, or matter to you, or many day you won't send one or once.
NDC ni wakoma beyo ya no pay you. Enyo ya no pay you. Me kano kran me hwe wanim so no makano kran de akire. Uji.
And correct.
NDC for no was sense of entitlement.
Of course, an idea. An idea.
Was some sense of entitlement. They believe and feel say or mine your modia. Listen, truth is that whether NPP or NDC or my way a Ghana ni biadia.
A Ghana ni biadia.
Whether you are born as a Ghanaian by birth or by naturalization or whatever, whichever method that would be a Ghana or my way you in idea. You see? So NDC for the nyai did now one more year. What they must understand is that gold board, any gold board jewelry, and yet the bona fide property of NDC as a party. Open the property of NDC as a party, and only almost structure is the other bracken, or headquarters, and only a party in India. Plus any other tenor, a war.
Yeah.
Reality will dawn on them, say, gold board, no, a state corporation. And a gold board jewelry, no, abe a subsidiary of that corporation. Enti gold board, and NDC ni biadia. Gold board, na President Mahamadia, and then Sammy Jenfidia.
Good.
They should take it and take it clear. Until the earlier they stop doing some of these things, the better.
The better, yeah.
You cannot hear say.
Yeah, Mutiopa.
Gold board, any gold board jewelry, and yes, Sammy Jenfidia. It is not for President Mahama. Neither is it for, I say, don't get here, national chairman. You know, mine to me so near same ran your dear Tissa company. Okay? And nobody in the NDC should think, say, gold board near the brainchild of the NDC. It's a NDC dear. Besides, Nanaba Namwa, records have it. On fire, Tionko Jina will be also say, will be a man sponsorship.
David.
Right? No cray wumpa ne say nana ba na moa. On fair tuo enko gina obi aso say obi me sponsor the event. We should grow out of this childish politics we do in this country.
Pettiness.
BBI politics in this country.
Yeah.
Are we serious?
We are too petty.
After elections, we have a nation to govern. Kwame de me cannot just say.
Yeah, Mutiopa.
Nana ba na moa ni ni team might have sat down to write a proposal justifying the reason why in Tia SSA gold board jewelry ebe sponsor one event.
Yeah, of course.
Right? It is a Ghana man yeah media general. Yabo media village
Yes.
Yene other corporate entities ana akabomi. Corporate entity no. SSO who ni benefit oba be sponsor event no so be dey.
Obenya. Yeah.
You give and take. Some of them ni bebre na kra nyeska kra no mse da de in terms of sponsorship.
But be na yo mo ye kra.
Yeah, the materials be near the end of the mouth. Then you also give them the chance and the opportunity say omo be display omo product omo ye dey. Omo
yeah. Butter cry. Most of them are butter.
And this is for this omo madness, this omo how they say.
Anti omotiko apai.
Kwame. God bought you a dead omoton.
And yeah, a niama yet gugu and said to your com ya.
A PMMC.
A name
for PMMC PMMC they were coded. And by the new act, no PMMC is dead.
You check it gold board jewelry on the website in this one. On watch or formerly known as PMMC.
That's fine. But I'm just saying
company or
I'm just saying say gold board jewelry in there no more yet.
And then mama yeah niama de to yansa chain near asomade gold watch sign man no
sign man why ne tashe
ayema Sanema
So are we okay?
Sanema we man etato.